Hello children, today we will do the book exercise of the lesson, The Song of the Train. Explanation part we have already done and I hope you have understood the chapter. So let's do the book exercise today. So open page number 70, Understanding the Story. Answer these questions. What did Minnie see from the train window in the afternoon? Tick the correct sentences. Now there are 4 sentences given. So let's see. First one is a man working in the fields. Yes, she saw a man who was working in the fields. So this is the correct sentence. We can tick mark. Children waving at her. This is also correct. She saw a few children who were waving at her. So you tick mark this also. Next is porters carrying boxes. No, she did not see porters carrying boxes out of the window. She saw them on the platform, on the station. So it is wrong. The sun looking like a giant orange. She saw the sun which was looking like a giant orange when the sun was setting. That is during the dusk time, not in the afternoon. So this is also incorrect. Now these are the question answers children and you will get it as PDF, but let's discuss it so that you can understand it in a better way. So first one is why, and you will write these question answers children in your copies, okay, in English 2 copies. Why did the ticket examiner want the tickets? So you remember the ticket examiner came and he asked for the tickets and her mother gave the tickets. So why did he want the tickets? He wanted the tickets to check if the passengers had bought tickets for the train journey or not. So it is his duty, his job to check the tickets. Where did the train stop? So the train stopped at an important station. Although the name was not given, but it stopped at an important station. Where did Minnie sleep? So Minnie slept on the middle berth. Remember his father lifted her up and he made her lie on the middle berth. Do you think Minnie likes her first train journey? How can you tell? Yes, of course, she liked her first train journey because she enjoyed the views from the train. She was looking outside all the time and she liked the sound of the train very much and she felt like the sound of the train was like a song. And she called it singing and also she fell asleep to the song. So yes, she enjoyed her first journey. She liked her first train journey very much. Now next, who said these words? Write the name under each sentence. So there are few sentence children and we will see who all have said these sentences. The trees are running so fast. Who said this? Minnie. While she was looking outside the window, she saw the trees and she felt actually that the trees are running because she never saw that the trees can move like this. Actually the train was moving and it was looking like the trees are running. Okay, so Minnie said this sentence. The trees are not running, and who explained her that no, it is not the trees that are running, it is actually a train that is running. Minnie's mother. Your tickets please. Ticket examiner said this sentence. We have 3 birds. Minnie's father told them that they have 3 birds. So Minnie's father will be the answer. Next is enjoying the story. It's the song of the train, it's singing for me. Soon she was fast asleep. Read these lines again. How does the sound of the train moving make Minnie feel? Now see again 3 sentences are given. Now which one is the correct? So it makes her happy. That's why Minnie compares it to the singing. Yes, this is the correct one because she liked the song of the train very much and she felt that it is singing for her. So take the first one. It is boring. That's why Minnie falls asleep listening to it. It is wrong. She did not find the train sound boring. It is wrong. She likes it in the beginning but finds it boring towards the end. It is also wrong. From the beginning till the end, she liked the sound of the train very much. Now let's turn the page. Now next one is The sun was setting. It looked like a giant orange. Why do you think the setting sun looked like a giant orange? Say any two ways in which the sun and a giant orange look the same. So the sun and an orange, they look the same, children, because why? Because they both are round in shape. First of all, sun is also round, orange is also round, and second similarity is they both are orange in color. Okay, so that is why she compared the setting sun with a giant orange. Okay, next is grammar and usage. So in this, let's see what is given here. We have learned how to join two words with and. We can also join two short sentences with and. So children, if you have learned how you can join two words, okay, like if I say I like blue and green color, okay, so here and is used to join two words, blue and green, but you can also join two short sentences, okay, with using and. The words that are used for joining other words or phrases or sentences, they are called as conjunction, okay, like and, but, or, because, they are all conjunctions, okay, because they join two words, or you can say two phrases or group of words or sentences. See, here example is given. The train slowed down, then it stopped. The train slowed down and stopped. So here it is joining two sentences, okay. It means it is making the sentence simpler. Minnie's father lifted her. He put her in the middle berth. Now let's see how it is joining. Minnie's father lifted her and put her in the middle berth. Okay. So we can see that we using this conjunction and we can join two sentences. We now know that we can use and to join two sentences with the same idea. So when do we use this conjunction and? When we want to join the words or the sentences which are of same kind or have the same idea, okay. So to join those sentences we can use the conjunction and. Now let's see the exercise part. Join each pair of sentences using and. Write the complete sentences. The sun comes up, the birds begin to sing. The sun comes up and the birds begin to sing. All of a sudden, the rain came down. The grass was fully wet. So we have to join it using and. All of a sudden, the rain came down and the grass was fully wet. So we have joined the two sentences using and. The giant wheel went higher. They all shouted. So the giant wheel went higher and they all shouted. Again, we are joining two sentences using and. Grandpa is here. I go for long walks with him. Grandpa is here and I go for long walks with him. Khalil buys some biscuits. Hanif buys some popcorn. So we can say Khalil buys some biscuits and Hanif buys some popcorn. Okay. Now read these sentences. Minnie is 6 years old, but she has never traveled on a train before. Shobhan is clever, but he is lazy. I wanted to make some tea, but there was no milk and sugar. So children, in this also we see that this conjunction but is joining the two sentences, two short sentences. But here what we see that the two sentences are opposite in nature, okay. They have different or contrast opposite ideas. They are not same. See here, Minnie is 6 years old, means she has completed 6 years of life. It's a long time, but still she has not traveled, okay. Shobhan is clever. Clever is, you can say, a positive quality, but he is lazy. Lazy is a negative quality. So see, both qualities are in opposite. So we use but. We will not say and. If it is like, if it is like Shobhan is clever and active. So active and clever both are positive qualities. So in that case we can use and. Okay, we'll not say but. But here clever and lazy both are opposite qualities. One is good and one is bad. So we will use but. I wanted to make some tea, but there was no milk and sugar. Obviously, when you will make tea, you want to have all the ingredients, but milk and sugar is not there, so you cannot make tea. So this is also going in opposite ideas. So we will use the conjunction but. We use but to join two short sentences that have the opposite meaning or ideas. So let's do the exercise part. Join the sentences in A and B with but. Write the sentences in the given space. So see here, two part sentences are given and we will match it, and we will write it using but. First one is, she wanted to fly a kite. There was no wind. So see here again, things are going in opposite way. She wants to fly a kite. So how can you fly a kite when there is a wind? So there is no wind. So things are going in opposite way. So how we'll write? Using the conjunction but. She wanted to fly a kite, but there was no wind. He was very hungry. There was nothing to eat. So he was very hungry, but there was nothing to eat. When you are hungry, there has to be something that you can eat, but there was nothing to eat. They have many toys. They don't want them. So if you have many toys and you don't want them, it is useless. So it is also going in the opposite direction, both the sentences. So they have many toys, but they don't want them. He looked for his pup everywhere. He could not find it anywhere. So he was looking hard for his. He was trying hard to look for his pup, but he was not able to find it anywhere. So he looked for his pup everywhere, but he could not find it anywhere. My friend has curly hair. Her sister has straight hair. So curly and straight both are opposite. So how will you write? My friend has curly hair, but her sister has straight hair. Okay. So like this you will write it in your book. Next is, read these sentences. A ticket examiner checks tickets. Gagan weaves cloth on a loom. He is a weaver. Satish is a teacher. He teaches in a school. Who are these people? So we see here some professions are given. No? Ticket examiner, weaver, teacher. This is occupation, you can say, name of the jobs. Okay. So here also some people are given. The occupation is given, and we will see and we will fill it the correct in the space given. Dr. George looks after sick people. He is a doctor. One who looks after sick people is a doctor only. Rohit helps doctors in a hospital. He is a nurse. One who helps doctor is called a nurse. Aisha builds roads and buildings. She is an engineer. Rahman stitches clothes. He is a tailor. Johnson prepares food in a restaurant. He is a cook. Arjun and his brother make tables and chairs. They are carpenters. You know, carpenters, they make things out of wood. So they are carpenters. Victor builds walls with brick and cement. He is a mason. So mason are the people who builds buildings and all with the help of walls and bricks. Ashok and his sons grow wheat in their field. They are farmers. Sarita flies an aeroplane. She is a pilot. So children, you will do till here, fill all your exercises properly and also learn them. Thank you.